Hey all, welcome back to the Fire and Water Cooking channel. I am Darren, of course, and today we're going to go over my new seasoning blends and my new sauce. I'll be right back and we're going to talk about these new products. All right, all, thanks again for joining me, and I want to tell you again about these seasonings that I came up with. I've been making my own seasonings and stuff now for the last couple of years, and I finally went ahead and started putting them into production. I started selling them on my own, mixing them here in my house, selling them to friends and people from the Facebook groups and all that. And I finally said, hey, they're taking off, people are liking them. I'm gonna go ahead and put these together on the commercial side. And that's what I've done, guys. First of all, I wanna go over a couple of them. Black garlic and coffee seasoning. This one is one of my first ones I've ever done, I ever put together. And it's mostly for beef. Works really well on steaks, roasts, also great on pork chops and lamb. And it works really well on chicken if you're looking for something that's not very herby, but has a nice kick to it. The black garlic and coffee mixed together and make it a really good, darker color. So instead of some of these other black rubs that are on the market that use activated charcoal, all the color that you get from the black garlic and coffee rub actually comes from something that's going to add flavor to it. So we got black pepper, we got black garlic, we've got coffee. All those are, dark black, so you get a really nice dark crust on there. So, and the coffee, the black pepper, and the black garlic all go together really well. It's one of my most popular rubs, so check out the black garlic and coffee. Blueberry and black garlic is another one that I've kind of put these two tastes together, these two flavors together, and it worked out really well. I had happened to have a freeze dryer. I freeze dried some blueberries because we had a ton of them from blueberry season down here. I was able to do a U-pick and get a whole bunch. And I said, well, what am I going to do with these blueberries? So I decided to make a rub out of them. And actually that's what the blueberry and black garlic seasoning came from. And it works really well on ribs, pork butt, chicken, seafood, all kinds of stuff. And believe it or not, this works really, really well. You should check that out. Very different, unique. There's nothing else out there around like that. So check that out. Another one that I've been making for a long time that I decided to put together is an all-purpose black garlic rub. So you'll see a lot of all-purpose rubs out there that are just plain salt, pepper, and garlic. So I kind of wanted to amp that up a little bit. So I created my own using black garlic, regular garlic, onion powder, and some other flavors. So all-purpose black garlic seasoning is a step above all those other all-purpose rubs you'll see out there. And I also decided to go ahead and do some black garlic salt of my own and black garlic powder. So I get my supply of black garlic from a company out in Texas, and I decided I'm going to go ahead, and since I like it a lot, it's actually one of the more expensive black garlics on the market. And it's very well done. It's not from China. It's made in America. It's really one of the best I've found. I didn't want to use a cheap black garlic in any of my seasonings, so I went ahead and packaged that up as well. So from there, I went ahead and said, you know what? I want to have a sauce that kind of complements at least the blueberry and black garlic rub. So I went ahead and I took those blueberries and I went ahead and mixed them with some balsamic, the black garlic, and a couple other seasonings, and I came up with a triple B sauce, so blueberry, black garlic, and balsamic vinegar, and it turned out fantastic. I've had people tell me that this is probably one of the best sauces they've ever had. This is going to be in production soon. I'm in the process of it, so this should be on the market soon. These are actually already on the market. The packaging will be changing here shortly, but check them out, guys. Fire and Water Cooking, edible creations, seasonings and rubs, top quality. I'm making sure that I'm putting these out there. They're not going to be something that's done cheaply. They're different than what everybody else has out there, and you're going to love them. So check them out, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next Fire and Water Cooking video.